Let's look at this question here. How many persons P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W and X are living in 10-storied building? As the ground floor is numbered 1, the just above that is floor number 2, and so on. The topmost floor is number 10. Only one person lives on each floor, but not necessarily in the same order. How many floors? But look at the number of persons. Be careful there. Ma? There are only 9 persons, but the number of floors is 10. Maybe there is one vacant floor, kada? Ana kada? Yes, maybe there is a one vacant floor. Let's get into the question here. P lives above 7th floor. P is living above 7th floor. How many possibilities does P have? Ma? P can stay in the 10th floor, 9th floor or 8th floor. Next. Only 2 floors between X and P. P who lives above the vacant floors. Be careful. The question is on a vacant floor. Then which maatladutunnadu? Vacant floor. Whenever he is talking about vacant floor, we have to be very careful. And when you read the clause, be careful, because you need to know whether he is talking about the number of persons or number of floors. Ardhamautunda leda? Because since there is one vacant floor, when he says the 2 persons between A and B, emanta? 2 persons between A and B. How many floors between A and B then? It can be 2 or it can be 3. Because we don't know whether there is a vacant floor between A and B. Ardhamautunda leda? So whenever you see a question which is based on a vacant floor, concentrate on the words that are used in the question. Only 2 floors between X and P. P who lives above the vacant floor. P is living above the vacant floor. And then 2 floors between P and X. P and X 2 floors, and P can be in the 8th floor. If P is in the 8th floor, X has to be below P. If P is in the 9th floor, X has to be below P. If P is in the 10th floor, X has to be below P. There is no other possibility. This X has to be below P. Avuna kada? Next line. R lives immediately above. Come on. R lives immediately above T and below Q. R is living below Q. Next line. Amma, only 2 persons live between R and X. Jagarta. Only R lives on an even numbered floor. Where is R living? R is living in even numbered floor. Next, only 2 persons live between R and X. Be careful. Is he talking about floors? Is he talking about floors? Then what is he talking about? He's talking about the number of persons. He's talking about the number of persons. So what did he say? Only 2 persons between R and X. Persons between R and X. Next, the number of persons who live above W is same as the number of persons who live below V. Above W is equals to below V. But what is he talking about? The number of persons who live above W is same as the number of persons who live below V. S lives immediately above floor of V. S lives immediately above the floor of V. Indena? S lives immediately above the floor of V. Tarvata 2 floors between S and U. 2 floors between Jagarta. 2 floors. 2 floors between S and U. U who lives below W and not adjacent to the vacant floor. U who lives below W. U who lives below W but and not adjacent to vacant floor. And U and vacant floor adjacent or not adjacent? Am I done with the question? Yes or no? U who lives below W and not adjacent to the vacant floors. Did I leave any other clue? U who lives below W. ఏదైనా క్లూ మర్చిపోయానా? ఏంటది? The number of persons who live above W is same as the number of persons who live below V. Second line, W lives immediately below P. W lives immediately below P. Done kada? W lives immediately below P. ఇప్పుడు P ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటే W ఇక్కడ, ఇది X, ఇది ఒక పాసిబిలిటీ. అవునా కాదా? If you don't get the answer, what should I do? Come on, what should I do? And then I'll go for P in the 9th floor. Even if I don't get the answer, I'll go for P in the 8th floor. How many more possibilities? 2 more. Apart from this, I have only 2 more. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to explore all the given possibilities one after the other. I'm trying to explore all the possibilities one after the other. Now this is W. Can I go for with V here? Chapandamma. The number of persons living above W is how much? 1. The number of persons living below V should be minimum 1. If I fix V here, 100% this has to be a vacant floor. Vacant or occupied? Occupied. 100% guarantee it has to be a occupied. Because the number of persons above W is equals to the number of persons below. 100% V should be occupied. Inka? Chapandamma. S and V. How many possibilities do I have for S and V? What are the possibilities that are for S and V? Ma? What గుర్తుపెట్టుకో ఇక్కడ. What గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండమ్మా. The number of persons living between R and X is 2. The number of persons living between R and X is 2. ఇక్కడ V ఫిక్స్ చేస్తే ఎట్టి పరిస్థితిలో ఇక్కడ S రావాల్సిందే. అవునా కాదా? మరి R and X కి అవకాశం ఉందా? 2 persons are living between R and X, and R is living in the even numbered floor. Where is R living? Even numbered floor. Can I go for R in the 4th floor? Amma, if I go for R in the 4th floor, immediately below R. అంటే నేను చూడండి బాబు, ఈ R కి సంబంధించి అన్ని పక్కగా రాసిన. ఏంటంటే మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కావద్దు మళ్ళా. R అనేవాడు పేరు వినపడగానే 3 క్లూస్ వచ్చాయి నీ మైండ్కి. ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? చెప్పాలే. పోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ పాసిబిలిటీ ఏంటిది? P, W, and this is X. సో ఆబ్వియస్ గా వాడు చెప్పిన ప్రకారం the vacant floor is below P. The vacant floor is below P. 100% guarantee this is occupied కదా. How many floors, how many persons are there above W? 2 persons. And below B minimum 2 persons. అవునా కాదా? చెప్పాలి. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఒక విషయం చెప్పండి. R has to live in the even number floor. Immediately below R should be T. Wherever I go for V, this should be S. Tell me, where should I go for R? Shall I go for R in the 2nd floor? If I go for R in the 2nd floor, 100% guarantee this is T. How many persons between X and R? 2 persons. 2 persons వచ్చేసిరు కదా. అప్పుడు 100% guarantee this has to be a vacant floor. Yes or no? What about the other points? W and U. After W, you have to go for U. How many possibilities? Only one possibility. Who is left out? P, Q. Q is left out. This is Q. Any possibility lo close chesna? Is this clear? U lives on which among the following floors? Where is U living? 7th floor. Who among the following persons lives adjacent to the vacant floors? There are 2 people who living adjacent to vacant floors. X and S. Question number 68. Which among the following statements are not true? Be careful. What's asked here? Not true. First one, W lives just above the floor of U. This is true. Only one person lives between S and U. Yes, because there is one floor which is vacant. He's talking about person. Jagartha. W lives on an odd number floor. No W is living in even number floor. And C is not true. Only C, option 3. 4 out of the following 5 are alike. T, P, V, U, S. T, 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 1st floor. V, 3rd floor. U, 7th floor. V కూడా 3rd floor కదా. S ఏమిటమ్మా? S is living in the even number floor. P అనేవాడు 9th floor. Which among the following statement is true as per the given arrangement? S and R lives on the adjacent floors? No. Two persons live between V and X. Do you see two persons between V and X? One person. How many floors? But number of persons? S lives just below X? No. U lives 2 floors below Q? No. All are false. Come on. Next one. 11 boxes A, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K and L are kept one above the other but not necessarily in the same order in a stack. These stacks are numbered 1 to 11 from bottom to top respectively. 1 to 11 from bottom to top respectively. Sir, చూద్దాం. Two boxes are kept between K and G. Any boxes amma? Two boxes between K and G. One box is kept between C and D. Not more than 2 boxes are kept between B and L. Not more than 2. అంటే అర్థం ఏమిటి? Less than or equals to 2. Less than or equals to 2. In between what? In between B and L, how many boxes? Less than or equals to 2. అవునా కాదా? అంటే it can be 2, it can be 1, it can be 0. Next line. No box is kept between A and D. A and D, what are they? Adjacent. Next. 3 boxes are kept between E and K. In between E and K, how many boxes are there? 3 boxes. 3 boxes are kept between E and K. 2 boxes are kept between B and F. 2 boxes are kept between B and F. Box H is kept immediately below E, full stop. E is kept 2 boxes below L. E is kept 2 boxes below L. Immediately below E is what? So here I could cover how many boxes? How many boxes cover చేస్తాను ఇక్కడ? అమ్మా నెక్స్ట్ ఏమిటో చదవండి త్వరగా. F is kept above B and below C. F is kept above. Come on. F is kept above B and already you have information about B and F. So F is kept above. పక్కా ఫిక్స్డ్ కదా. ఇంకోటి ఏంటిది? And below C. F is kept below C. K is kept above J. K is kept above. Am I done with all the clues? Tell me which is the clue that will fetch me answer as soon as possible or as early as possible. Explain me the clue or tell me the clue that will fetch me the answer in a faster way. Shall I go with this? If I go with this, I can also fix K kada. Along with E, I can fix K. Along with K, I can fix G. Avuna kada. So most of the clues are related to the one which I have circled here. Chappandamma. So మనం ఏం చేద్దామంటే ఫస్ట్ ట్రయల్ మనం L ఇక్కడ తీసుకుందాం. L 1 person gap, E తర్వాత H. How many between E and K? 3 boxes. How many boxes? 3 boxes. It can be before or it can be after. Let me go after first. This is K. సరిపోయిందా? How many boxes between K and G? 2 boxes. పైన ఏమైనా అవకాశం ఉందా? లేదు. 1, 2, this is G. As of now, how many boxes did I cover? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I am looking forward for only 1. That 1 box can be above L or after G. అవునా కాదా? ఇంకేమిటంట? B గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు. ఎవరి గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు? B. Number of boxes between L and B is less than or equals to 2. Less than or equals to 2. ఇక్కడ B తీసుకుంటే ఎన్ని బాక్సెస్ గ్యాప్ ఉండాలి? 2 boxes పైన F. నాకు ఎన్ని వచ్చేసినాయి? 12 boxes. And the number of boxes I should get is మాట్లాడాలమ్మా. L కింద B తీసుకుందామంటే గ్యాప్ షుడ్ బి 2, 1, 0. If I put B here, gap is 3 కదా. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? అట్లా క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ పెట్టి చూడొద్దురా బాబు. ఇప్పుడు ఇఫ్ ఐ గో ఫర్ B here, above 1, 2, 3 అంత ఛాన్స్ ఉందాడా? అంటే ఇప్పుడు నీకేమర్థమైంది? By taking K after E, I am not getting the answer. What is my immediate duty? Come on. L, 1% gap. E, after that is H, 1, 2, 3. This is K. This is K. Avuna kada. How many between B and L? Less than or equals to 2. How many between B and L? Chapandama. Less than or equals to 2. What are the possibilities that I can explore? If I put below L, no way. Below L, no way. If I put B here, 2 boxes above and then after that is F. Is it a possibility? Inka further down can I go? ఇంకా కిందికి వెళ్ళే అవకాశం ఉందా? ఒకవేళ బి ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటే 1 2 ఇక్కడ ఎఫ్ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది కదా, చెప్పండి అమ్మా. హౌ మెనీ బాక్సెస్ డిడ్ ఐ కవర్? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ఇంకా మాట్లాడండి అమ్మా. K and G. How many? 2 boxes between K and G. As of now, you are not sure కదా. How many boxes did I cover? Please tell me. అమ్మా ఒకటైతే 100% ఉండాల్సిందే. ఎందుకు చెప్పు? C is above F. ఎన్ని కవర్ అయినాయి? 9. A and D are adjacent అంటున్నాడు. A and D are adjacent అంటే అక్కడ లైన్లో ఎక్కడైనా A and D కి అవకాశం కనబడుతుందా? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. And there is 1 box between C and D. Wherever you place A and D, the next position should be occupied by C. అవునా కాదా? ఎట్లా మరి? యూజ్ యువర్ బ్రెయిన్స్. మంచి మళ్ళా ఇంకోసారి చెప్తున్నా. I am just exploring the possibility. If this is B, I may get the answer. Because there is no possibility for B after L. And B has to be before L. This is one possibility. The other possibility is I can also go for B here. అవునా కాదా? ఎందుకు చెప్పు? లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2 అంటే there can be a gap of 2 boxes between L and B. The gap can be 1 or the gap can be 0. As of now, we are exploring the gap as 0. If you don't get the answer immediately, next step that I go is 2 boxes between L and B. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? సో B ఇక్కడ F ఉండాలి, F కి పైన ఒకటి కంపల్సరీ ఉండాలి. ఎవడు వాడు? C. ఇక్కడ కనుక C తీసుకుంటే A అండ్ D కి అవకాశం ఉందా? ఉంది. There is no possibility that you can have A and D here. A and D should be either above C or below C, because there is a gap of 1 box between D and D. If this is C, pakka this is D and above that is A kada. How many boxes did I cover? Please tell me. Amma, ఎన్ని బాక్సెస్ కవర్ అయినాయి? 11 బాక్సెస్ సరిపోయినాయి కదా. చెప్పండి అమ్మా. అప్పుడు ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగండి, తొందరపడద్దు, ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగు. అప్పుడు 100% గ్యారంటీ 2 బాక్సెస్ బిట్వీన్ K and G అంటే దిస్ ఇస్ G. బట్ దేర్ ఇస్ వన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ విచ్ సేస్ J షుడ్ బి ఆఫ్టర్ K. విల్ యూ గెట్ J ఆఫ్టర్ K? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు చెప్తా, బాగా వినండి. దిస్ ఈస్ B1 2. దిస్ ఈస్ ఓకేనా? చెప్పాలి. ఇంకా మనకి A and D are adjacent కదా. A and D are adjacent. Wherever you go for A and D, you should also go for C. How many places did I cover? I have covered 10 places. Please count how many places? 10 places. Pakka this is D and this is A. This has to be C. How many boxes between K and G? 2 boxes. J is after K. Am I done with the question? Yes. What did I do here? I was just exploring my possibilities. Is this clear or not? But if you have not understood this point, what is that point? Not more than 2 boxes are kept between B and L. And if you have not interpreted it properly, then there is no possibility that you will get the right answer. Okay now? Which among the following box is kept just above J? K. Next, how many boxes are kept between D and L? How many between D and L? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which among the following statement is true as per the given arrangement? Box F is adjacent to only D? No. More than 3 boxes kept between G and B, more than 3 between G and B. Exactly 3 kada. E is kept just below L. Box A is kept 2 boxes above J. 2 boxes above J is A? No. What's the answer? Which among the following is are not true? H is adjacent to only E. True kada? True or not true na? No box is kept above C. True. Box B is exactly in the middle of the given boxes. Is B exactly in the middle? No. What's my answer? Only 3. If all the boxes are arranged in alphabetical order, starting from the bottom to top, how many boxes are unchanged in their positions? You are talking about what? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L. There is no I, be careful. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L. Nothing. None. What's my answer? None. Okay now? Next puzzle ఏమిటో చెప్పండి అమ్మా 85 ఏమిటంట చూడు 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are born in different months of Jan to August of the same year but not necessarily in the same order. Not necessarily in the same order. So, Jan to August. ఎప్పటి నుంచి ఎప్పటి వరకు? చలో చదవండి అమ్మా. Not necessarily in the same order. G is born in the month that has even number of days. ఇక్కడ పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చి పడింది మనకి ఇక్కడ. ఏమిటా ప్రాబ్లం? G is born in the even number of days అంటే ఒకటైతే పక్కా జూను ఏప్రిల్. ఫిబ్రవరి పరిస్థితి ఏమిటి అక్కడ? మరి ఏదైతే ఇయర్ ఇక్కడ మాట్లాడాడో ఇన్ ద సేమ్ ఇయర్ అని ఆ ఇయర్ లీప్ ఇయరా నాన్ లీప్ ఇయరా చెప్పడం ఏమైనా జరిగింది అక్కడ? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ నాన్ లీప్ ఇయర్ అప్పుడు ఫిబ్రవరి కూడా ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డేస్ అవునా కాదా? ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ లీప్ ఇయర్ ఫిబ్రవరి విల్ హ్యావ్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డేస్. దట్స్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ హియర్. మేబీ సమ్వేర్ ఆర్ ది అదర్ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్యూ లైన్స్ we might find whether the year mentioned here is a leap year or non leap year, or else you have to explore all the possibilities. There is no other option. Avuna kada? So he says G is born in the month which has even number of days. One person is born between G and A. A is born after G. A is born after G. 100% guarantee maybe this is G or this is G. ఇక్కడ G I'm not sure. అవునా కాదా? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్. B is born in the month which has an even number of days. మళ్ళీ ఒక ట్విస్ట్ వచ్చింది. B equals to even number of days అంటున్నాడు. చూద్దాం. E is born immediately after C. E is born immediately after C. The number of persons born before E is one more than the number of persons after D. Before E is equals to one more than after D. After D plus 1. One more than after D. అంతేనా? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమిటో చెప్పు. చదవాలి. F was born before D. There are only 2 persons who are born between A and H. How many persons? 2 persons born between A and H. So what's the best possibility? I think it is G. If you fix G, we can fix A. From there, I can carry on with H. Avuna kada? First trial, this is G, this is A, two persons between A and H. Antena? Tarvata emiti? B is born in even number of days. B is born in even number of days. Manaku inka clarity లేదు కదా. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమిటో చూడు. C and D. చెప్పండమ్మా. C and E గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు. C and E ని ఫిక్స్ చేస్తే గనక E నుంచి D ఫిక్స్ చేసే అవకాశం ఉందా లేదా? Every point is interconnected. This is C, this is E. How many are born before E? Amma? How many are born before E? 1. How many are born before E? 1. Under this 1 is 1 more than D. And after D it should be 0 kada? Chappanda amma? If after D is 0, before E should be 1. Then after D 0 వచ్చే chance unda? See, I'm just simply exploring the possibilities. This is C, this is E. How many before C? Before E, 2. And after D, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Saripoyinda leda? So this has to be D. B is born in even number of month. The month having even number of days. What is left out? F. అయిపోయిందా లేదా? రాకపోతే ఏం చేసేటోళ్ళం? మళ్ళా G and E in ఏప్రిల్. మళ్ళా రాకపోతే ఏం చేసేటోళ్ళం? మళ్ళా Gని ఫిబ్రవరిలో ట్రయల్ కొట్టేటోళ్ళం. ఇంకో అవకాశం లేదు కాబట్టి. Who among the following person is born in the April month? Who is born in April? B for Bombay. Which of the following statements these are true as per the given arrangement? G is born just after H. Yes. A is born before C. No. No one is born before F. Yes. 1 and 3. Option 4. How many persons are born between F and H? Chapanama 3. 4 out of the following 5 are alike in a certain way. D, F, A, H, C. Chapagaltara. D July 31, F Jan 31, A August 31, H May 31, C February. Less number of days than the other 4. Which among the following statement is true as per the given arrangement? E was born before D. Correct kada? Chapali. Oka true అయింది. First option ఆన్సర్ అవుతే ఏం చేయాలి? Recheck the options. అవునా కాదా? There is one option which says all are true. Let me go with the 2. 2 persons are born between G and D. Right or wrong? Yes. Can I go directly with the third option? Yes. Whenever first option is your answer, be careful. You need to recheck the options again. Because first option is always a trap. And I told you this many number of times. And if you are lazy and if you have not checked the clues again, then you would have clearly marked the answer as 1. అంతే కదా? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంది? 8 persons A, B, C, D, P, Q, R and S are sitting in 2 parallel rows facing each other and each one likes a different flower. Lily, daisy, rose, jasmine, lavender, lotus, orchid and tulips, but not necessarily in the same order. మొత్తం ఎంతమంది జనాలు? ఎన్ని ఫ్లవర్స్? ABCD are facing south. A to D ఏందంట? సౌత్. మిగతా వాళ్ళు ఎవరు? PQRS, P2S north. చలో చేద్దామా? A is sitting second to the right of the one who likes jasmine. A is sitting second to the right of the one who likes jasmine. ఇంతేనా? చెప్పాలి. Because jasmine and A are facing south. A is sitting second to the right of the one who likes jasmine. The person who likes lily is sitting right of the one who likes tulip and is not facing the one who likes lavender, and more than 2 persons are sitting between them. The person who likes lily is sitting to the right of tulip. Amma? Right of tulip. Avaru? The person who likes lily is sitting to the right of tulip and is not facing lavender. Who is not facing lavender? Lily. Lily is not facing lavender, and more than 1 person is sitting between them. More than 1 person is sitting between them అంటే ఒకటొక పాసిబిలిటీ రా బాబు, ఇద్దరే ఉండాలి. లిల్లీ అండ్ ట్యూలిప్ మధ్యలో ఇద్దరు మాత్రమే ఉంటారు. మోర్ దెన్ వన్ అంటే టూనే. ఇద్దరు గ్యాప్ వస్తే టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ 4. ఇన్ ఎ రో ఐ కెన్ హ్యావ్ హౌ మెనీ పీపుల్? 4 people. బట్ లిల్లీ ఇస్ టు ది రైట్ ఆఫ్ ట్యూలిప్. లిల్లీ ఇస్ టు ది రైట్ ఆఫ్ ట్యూలిప్. అవునా కాదా? చూద్దాం తర్వాత, మనకు తెలియదు కాబట్టి మనం ఏం చేయాలి, వదిలేద్దాం. S sits second to the left of the one who likes dicey, but neither of the person is facing A. S sits second to the left of the one who likes dicey. Antena? And neither of them are facing A అంటే ఇక్కడ డైసీ తీసుకునే అవకాశమే లేదు. 1 to S ఏడొస్తుందమ్మా? వస్తుందా? ఒక్కడికే ఛాన్స్ ఉందాడా? పోనీ ఇక్కడ డైసీ తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ ఎస్కోక అవకాశం ఉంది. అవునా కాదా? అంటే టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పర్సన్స్ 8. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? ఇది ఒక పాసిబిలిటీ. ఇంకో పాసిబిలిటీ ఏమిటమ్మా? వాట్ ఇస్ అదర్ పాసిబిలిటీ? దిస్ ఇస్ డైసీ and this is S. How many possibilities? 2 possibilities. Let me explore this first. If I get the answer, happy. If I don't get the answer, no way. అవునా కాదా? ఇప్పుడు ఒక విషయం నాకు చెప్పండి రా బాబు. నీ మైండ్ అనేది చాలా 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 ఫాస్ట్గా పరిగెత్తాలి. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? నీ మైండ్ అనేది చాలా ఫాస్ట్. ఎందుకంటే ప్రతి క్లూ కూడా ఇంటర్లింక్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్. ఇఫ్ దిస్ ఇస్ డైసీ, దిస్ ఇస్ ఎస్. లిల్లీ అండ్ ట్యూలిప్ మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది చెప్పండి అమ్మా? 100% గ్యారంటీ లిల్లీ అండ్ ట్యూలిప్ హ్యాస్ టు ఫేస్ సౌతా నార్తా? నార్త్. ఇక్కడనే కదా, పైన ఆల్రెడీ జాస్మిన్ వచ్చేసింది కదా. అంటే ఈ పాయింట్స్ మన మైండ్కి తట్టవు. మీరు చేసే పొరపాటే అది. డైసీ ఇక్కడే ఎస్, 100% లిల్లీ అండ్ ట్యూలిప్ ఇక్కడనే కదా. చెప్పండి అమ్మా. అండ్ లిల్లీ ఇస్ టు ది రైట్ ఆఫ్ ట్యూలిప్. లిల్లీ ఇస్ టు ది రైట్ ఆఫ్ ట్యూలిప్. So 100% guarantee this is tulip and this will be lily. Lily is opposite to lavender or not opposite to lavender? ఇన్ని పాయింట్స్ అయిపోయినాయి. ఈ థాట్ నీ మైండ్ తట్టాలి. తడితేనే ఆన్సర్ పరిగెత్తుకుంటూ వస్తుంది, లేకుండా రాదు. ఇది కనుక ఆన్సర్ కాకపోతే డైసీని ఒక ఇమీడియట్ లెఫ్ట్ తీసుకొని ఎస్ నాడబెట్టి చేస్తాం. సరేనా? ఇఫ్ దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ అవర్ ఆన్సర్, దిస్ ఇస్ డైసీ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఎస్. ఇస్ దిస్ క్లియర్? Everyone, come on, don't be lazy. You should be very alert. Next, chalo. S is sitting second to the left of the one who likes dicey, but neither of the persons facing A. C is an immediate neighbor of B, but he does not like Jasmine. C is an immediate neighbor of B, but he does not like Jasmine. Who does not like Jasmine? C. If C does not like Jasmine, this is C and this is B. Or this is C and that is B. అంతే కదా? అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమర్థమైంది నీకు? C పొజిషన్ వెళ్ళిపోయినా B పొజిషన్ మాత్రం ఫిక్స్ అయిపోయింది. అవునా కాదా? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. C is an immediate neighbor of B, but he does not like Jasmine. If C does not like Jasmine, C has to like tulip. If C likes tulips, B is Jasmine. Or if I put C here, B is Jasmine. Confirmed కదా? నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ చదువు. P and R are immediate neighbors. ఇంకేమంటున్నాడు? P does not like Daisy. So పక్కా this is P, this is R, this is Q. No other option. P does not like Daisy అంటే పక్కనే P రావాలి. P and R are immediate neighbors అని కూడా నడవాడు. The person who likes lotus and orchid are facing each other and either of the person, one of them is sitting immediate neighbor of B. ఎవరి గురించి మాట్లాడిండు? లోటస్ అండ్ ఆర్కిడ్. ఇక్కడే కదా లోటస్ అండ్ ఆర్కిడ్. ఇంకా ఏదైనా పాసిబిలిటీ ఉందా? వన్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ ఈస్ అన్ ఇమీడియట్ నేబర్ ఆఫ్ బి. పక్కా, దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో ట్రూ. నెక్స్ట్, T does not face A and D does not face S. P does not face A and D does not face S. So this is D, this is C. Next line. The person whose name starts with an vowel is not immediate neighbor of the one who likes a flower which starts with an vowel. A is not an immediate neighbor of the one which starts with a vowel. Earlier we have discussed lotus and orchid are facing each other. Orchid is starting with O. There is only one vowel here, A. Orchid ikkada undocha. Enduku A is not an immediate neighbor of the one who likes flower which starts with vowel. So pakka orchid and or lotus. So this is lotus. This is orchid. This is not lavender. So this is lavender. Okka flower milipindi evudo cheppandi. Lily, daisy, rose. అయిపోయింది. రాకపోయింటే we would have changed that ఏది who is sitting immediate right of the one who likes rose? Yes. Who is facing the one who likes lavender? Who is facing the one who likes lavender? B. Who is sitting diagonally opposite to each other? A and R? Yes. Q and D also. Answer is both 1 and 4. 4 of the following 5 are alike. A and B, same row, 1% gap. S and R, same row, 1% gap. C and S, different rows, opposite. Q and P, same row, 1% gap. C and D, same row, 1% gap. What's the answer? C and S. Find out the correct statement in the given below. C is sitting second to the left of the one who likes tulip. Now, second to the right of the one who likes tulips because akkada south, in the north. Only one person sits between Q and the one who likes daisy. No. B is facing to the immediate neighbor of the one who likes daisy. B is facing the immediate neighbor of the one who likes daisy. Yes. Number series cheppandi fast ga. Number series. Increasing, decreasing. Come on, when I ask something, I'm expecting a response. Increasing, decreasing. Huge increase or gradual increase? Gradual. Except the first two, the others, there's not much increase. Hardly the difference is 100. Ante. Maximum 100. So then huge increase అని అనకూడదు. Gradual. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ difference ఎంత చెప్పండి? 891 plus 891 plus 891. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమిటో నెక్స్ట్ ఎంత 297. నెక్స్ట్ కమాన్ 100 యాడ్ చేస్తే 1298 కదరా బై 1297 ఉంది ఆడ ఏంటిది అది 99. ఇదెంత 891 297 99 ఏమైనా అర్థమైందా? నాకు అర్థమైంది. 99 into 3. 99 into 3 is 297. If I come from this side, it is divided by 3. 891 divided by 3. Is it 297? Yes, it is 297. Putting all 99 divided by 3. How much is this? 33. 1330. Divided by 3 is 11. Yes, pakka 1341. Done. Next, increasing or decreasing? Come on, come on. Decrease, increase, decrease, increase. Plus, minus, plus, minus. Minus 3 plus 12, 12, 12. 985 plus 15 is 1000. And extra 33. 15 plus 33, 48. Minus 48. నాకు అర్థమైపోయింది. మీకు అర్థమైందా? समझ में आया नहीं आया? आया ना? क्या बोलो? Into 4. Next. 48 into 4. How much is 48 into 4? Ma? 192. Into 4 is double double. 48 double 96. 96 double 192. Plus or minus? Plus. Is it okay? Yes, it is okay. What is into 4? 192 into 4? మా చూడు 192 into 4 అంటే 200 into 4 ఎంత వినాలే 200 into 4 అమ్మా 800. Difference between 200 and 192 8. 8 4s 32. 8 4s 32. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? 8 4s 32 అంటే 800 minus 32 760 ఎంతమ్మా 768. ఇంత సోది ఎందుకు సార్ అనుకుంటే నీకు మల్టిప్లికేషన్ టేబుల్స్ వస్తే 19 into 4 అంటే ఎంత 76. 19 into 4 ఎంత 76 అంటే 190 into 4 అంటే ఎంత 760. 2 into 4 అంటే ఎంత 8. అయిపోయింది కదా బై 768 minus 760. Yes or no? So what should be the answer? Amma 409. 411 is the wrong. 38th. What's going on here? Shall I go with the differences? How much is this? 2. This is 9 and I can say this is 28. 2, 9, 28. Guesses? చూడగానే చెప్పాలి, నెంబర్ చూడగానే చెప్పాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద స్పెషాలిటీ. 1 cube plus 1, 2 cube plus 1, 3 cube plus 1. నెక్స్ట్ టైం ఉండాలి 4 cube plus 1, 65. అంటే ఎంత వస్తుంది 100 చెప్పాలి. 11 plus 126 సరిపోయింది కదా 242. Yes? 39. Oh, good one. This indicators almost half. అవునా? అంటే 13 into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 1 plus 1 into 1.5 plus 1.5. 8 into 1.5 12 plus 1.5 into 2 plus 2. 13.5 into 2 27 plus 2 29 into 2.5 plus 2.5. అంతేనా? ఆబ్వియస్గా దిస్ ఇస్ రాంగ్ కదా. అద్భుతం చూపిస్తా ఇప్పుడు మీకు, అద్భుతం చూపిస్తా, మంచిగా వినాలి బాబు. దిస్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ into n plus n. Wherever you see into n plus n, what did I say? Into n plus n. Dead easy బాబు, మంచిగినరా. ఇప్పుడు 7 into 1 plus 1 అంతేనా? Can I say this is 1 into 7 into 1 plus చెప్పండి అమ్మా 1.5 into 8 plus 1.5. Can I write it as 1.5 into 8 plus 1? అదే కదా జరుగుతుందాడా? చెప్పాలి. అంటే ఏందిరా బాబు అంటే నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ పోతే అయిపోయింది సినిమా. Go to the next number. చూడు, this is into 0.5 plus 0.5 కదా. Don't do this. What is the next number to 13? 14 into 7 into 1 plus 1. Next number 8 into 1. 8. అయిపోయిందా లేదా? 8 into 1.5 plus 1.5 అంటే 9 into 1.5 సరిపోయిందా లేదా? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు ఇదేం కావాలి? 14 into 2. 14 into 2. ఇప్పుడు ఇదేం కావాలి? 30 into 2.5. What is that? 30 into 2.5. What is 30 into 2.5? 75. From now, if you find a logic into n plus n, the best is whatever the number is here, next number into n. Next number into n. समझ में आया ना? I see every number is almost double. అంతేనా? 2 times అనిపిస్తుంది almost. Into 2 plus 10. 38 into 2 76 plus 10. 86 into 2 172 plus 10. 182 into 2 364 plus 10. అంతేనా? అప్పుడు ఇది ఏముండాలి? 2 ఉండాలి. 2 into 2 4 plus 10 ఎంత? 14. Which is my wrong number? Any other doubts? Did you understand the previous question? Is this clear?